Hi, I'm Debbie Stroud and this is Homegrown in the Kitchen. And I'm going to show you how to make a quick fresh pack dill pickle. Your ingredients are important. We're going to start off with pickling cucumbers. You want to make sure you're using pickling cucumbers, not English or salad cucumbers, because the salad cucumbers are going to have a coating that's going to prevent the brining solution from penetrating into the cucumber. So you're going to take your cucumber and you're going to trim 1/16 inch off of the blossom end. The blossom end is the lighter end. You just want to cut off 1/16 of an inch. Once you remove the blossom end, you're going to soak these cucumbers in a saltwater solution for 12 hours. At the end of this time, you're going to drain and rinse these cucumbers. The vinegar, I want to point out, is important. The vinegar lowers the pH for the cucumber. It preserves it and it helps to make it shelf stable. So we're going to add 1.5 quarts of vinegar to 2 quarts of water. We're going to add 1/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of canning salt, 14 head of dill, 2 tablespoons of mixed pickling spice, and 3 tablespoons of whole mustard seed. And we're going to bring this mixture to a boil. Once your brining solution is prepared, we're going to go ahead and fill our jars. Now you'll notice my cucumbers are no longer whole. If you find that you have a jar that is too small for your cucumbers, it's fine to cut them. Okay, we're now going to fill the jars. For this recipe, you need to leave 1/2 inch of headspace. Headspace is important. If you leave too much, all of the air may not be driven out of the jar. If you leave too little, you might have your canned item pushing on the bottom of the lid. Your headspace might change if you use the wand to force out air bubbles. And you want to make sure you're not leaving any extra air in the jar. And yes, 1/2 inch. This wand is really great. You can check with remove air bubbles at one end, and it has a graduated side to allow you to measure from 1/4 inch to 1 inch headspace. Once you've filled your jars, go ahead and make sure the rim is clean, and you're going to place your lid and your band and finger tighten. And you're going to place this into your hot water bath canner. The jar should be covered with 1 inch of water, and when it comes to a boil, you're going to put the lid on and process for 10 minutes. When processing is finished, place your jar on a cushioned surface and leave it for 12 hours to allow for it to seal. You will know if you have a seal when you check the top and you push down. If it goes up and down, then you don't have a seal. You can go ahead and reprocess, or better yet, stick it in the refrigerator and eat in a couple of days. When reprocessing, do so within 24 hours of initial preparation. You can find the recipe for these pickle foods on our website. I'm Debbie Stroud, and this is Homegrown in the Kitchen.